Now we are going to solve the exercise 4.4, which is based on the graph of the sec inverse x. First question is the value of sec inverse minus the value of sec inverse minus root 2. Where is the minus root 2? It is here, and the value of, you can see, corresponding to minus root 2 is here. It is 3 pi by 4. It is 3 pi by 4. एक्चुअली आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की जो वैल्यूज हैं 11th क्लास वाली, वो तो लर्न तो होनी चाहिए, और मेमोरी में ये होना चाहिए कि sec 3 pi by 4 कितना होता है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज sec inverse 2. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sec inverse 2? इट इज हियर, sec inverse 2. द वैल्यू ऑफ sec inverse 2, it is the pi by 3. Means I can now write down here. The value of second question is sec inverse 2. The value is pi by 3. And third is sec inverse 2 sin 3 pi by 4. Now we are going to take this vacant space, or you can say going to downside here. Okay. Now third question is sec inverse. Sec inverse 2 times sin 3 pi by 4. What is the sin 3 pi by 4? It is the pi minus pi by 4. Means in second quadrant sign is positive. The value is 1 by pi by 4. Multiple means 1 by root 2. The implies the value of sec inverse. Simplify, it is the sec inverse root 2, and the sec inverse root 2 is pi by 4. This is your answer. And one more question, the value of sec inverse 2 times tan 3 pi by 4. This is the question. Next, what is the tan 3 pi by 4? As we know, it is the minus 1. You have to know also. That's why you have to find the value of sec inverse 2 into minus 1. This is sec inverse of minus 2. And as we know, the minus 2 corresponding to sec inverse minus 2. It is, if we don't know the graph, then how we can find? Assume it is theta. That's why sec theta equals to minus 2. That's why you can see cos theta equals to minus 1 by 2. Cos theta is minus 1 by 2 where? By the rule, cos theta is minus 1 by 2. There is a ASTC, means in second quadrant only sign is positive, and the value is of cos theta of minus 1 by 2 is the 2 pi by 3, 120 degree. Means sec inverse minus 2 equals to 2 pi by 3. By the graph also you can draw, because if you draw the graph of this, or you can say you can check the graph of this. I'm going to check sec inverse minus 2. Okay, this is the graph of cot, graph of sin, cos, tan, cot. This is sec inverse minus 2 is here, means the value is corresponding near to this. This region is the 2 pi by 3. Yes or no? Next, some more questions of the basis of the principal values of combination of sec and tan. You can easily solve sin and some more questions. Domain. Okay, write down these questions. Domain of sec inverse 3x minus 1. We are going to solve this question. Domain of sec inverse. Now write down here. I think it is yes, sec inverse 3x minus 1. What is the domain of this? As we know, the domain of sec inverse x belongs to minus infinite to minus 1 union 1 to infinite. Yes or no? Means you can say x is less than minus 1 and greater than 1. That's why we can write down for the question 3x minus 1 here. Means 3x minus 1 is greater than minus 1. Greater than or equal to? Yes. And means it is less than or equals to, not greater than or equals to. It is less than, x is less than or equals to here. And here is the greater than 1. Okay. I write down again it. 3x minus 1 less than equals to minus 1 and greater than equals to 1. Yes or no? Check it. Yes. That's why we add 1 on both sides, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 0, and here is the 2, and divided by 3 we can obtain 0 by 3 and 2 by 3. Means now the domain answer, or you can say the answer of domain is, write down x belongs to minus infinite to 0, it is a closed bracket, union 2 by 3 to infinite. This is our answer of this question. Find the domain of. And last question is, find the domain of sec inverse x minus tan inverse x. Then what about the domain of this? It is a d1 and d2. And as we know, the combination of graph either minus, plus, divide and multiply, the final domain is d1 intersection d2. And the domain of this, as we know, minus infinite to minus 1, union 1 to infinite. Yes or no? And domain of this is real number. Then what is the intersection? Intersection is this value. Means final answer, you can say, it is the domain of our question is minus infinite to minus 1 union 1 to infinite. I think they are the simple questions which are based on the graph of sec inverse x, or you can say values of sec inverse x. Understand?